Ace, why you look so happy?
Tell you also don't understand one lah.
Share with me your joy leh.
Hey brother, you don't know man, after he bought Lentor Modern, he tie already. Every day come here, whistle there. Aiya, don't care him lah. Like, lim CB.
OB 九半燒 plus 2x OB 弟弟路 non-stop。
Walao, you see lah, 小 already. 鸡蛋2粒7分钟啊。
Actually, you all keep saying on Lentor very good. I don't think so leh. The location so ulu. Where got future? Integrated project selling long PSM must be no good that's why sell it cheap am I right?
Brother, I think you miss out on certain aspect. You still remember my kopi story? Yes, I increased my price, but I don't go crazy on profiting ma. This is called win-win situation. Deal, bro? Deal. If I suddenly increase my price to $5, you think you'll still come back?
No lah.
Yeah lah, the location is only ulu for now. Next time super convenient Connectivity to Thomson East Coast Line is already there. Now government is doing up the north-south corridor. Look at Punggol. Last time also ulu what. Now you tell people Punggol ulu. People say it's dinosaur Look at the future. When this project is completed, do you think the residents will come here for their needs or go somewhere else? She'll come here, too, bro.
You think I really bye-bye, man?
Actually, you are so right. I have one more secret I'm going to share with you. Lentor Modern being the first plot, which is an integrated project with the highest plot ratio and the nicest view. How not to buy? In fact, there are still 10 more plots to be built there.
Knowing our government, the land price will definitely increase.
Okay. Why wait?
Okay, wait for GST to increase, man.
Wow, you melt the cockles of my heart. Between how you all know about all this, huh?
You don't know me. Call your orange tea, paying you now.